The F-35 Lightning II fighter program has finally received the green light from the Pentagon to transition from partial to full-rate production, a significant milestone after a torturous 20-year development journey. Under Secretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment Dr. William A. LaPlante signed off on advancing the F-35 program to the Milestone C full-rate production phase, indicating that the aircraft and its technology are now stable enough for expanded production. This decision comes 10 years later than originally anticipated and follows a thorough examination of the F-35 program, including live tests of the aircraft's capabilities. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, designed to have three variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, will now proceed to full-rate production, allowing manufacturers Lockheed Martin and Pratt and Whitney to fulfill orders more efficiently, potentially leading to lower prices and increased production. However, the journey hasn't been easy. Conceived in the early 2000s, the F-35 program aimed to replace several existing fighter aircraft across the U.S. Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy. The complex program, operating under a system called concurrency, faced numerous challenges, including building a worldwide network of suppliers and repair depots. Now, with nearly 900 F-35's operating worldwide, the decision to enter full-rate production marks the end of the first stage of the 70-year F-35 program, offering a sense of relief and accomplishment after years of challenges and setbacks. The decision to enter full-rate production was expected to reduce costs and increase production efficiency. However, the number of F-35's requested by the Pentagon for 2025 has been reduced, likely increasing the cost of each aircraft. Nonetheless, the decision represents a psychological milestone, signaling the completion of a long and grueling process that has tested the limits of aerospace technology and international cooperation.